Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Gemini. This gives you the model access and saves outputs. Once done, switch to image creation mode so you can generate photos rather than text. Make sure you set an aspect ratio that fits your use case, for example 16:9 for landscapes or 1:1 for social posts, and have any reference images or a concise prompt ready to speed up iterations. You now craft a prompt that tells Gemini exactly what to create. Include the subject, style, lighting, mood, and camera details so the model understands intent. Next, adjust generation settings like creativity and resolution, and enable reference image upload if you have one to guide composition. Then run a low-resolution preview to check composition and color. This saves time. If it misses the mark, you finish by selecting the best render, upscaling or exporting to your preferred file format, and saving it to your drive. If you want tweaks, perform minor edits inside Gemini or regenerate focused regions using refined prompts. This avoids full reworks. If output looks off, troubleshoot by simplifying language, ensuring your reference image is high quality, and lowering creativity so Gemini follows the prompt more literally. Finally, iterate quickly until the photo matches your vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.